Hello, I'm David. I'm one of Davidson's custom liaisons technicians, and today in this short video I'm going to show you how to service your internal and external hinges. Sometimes you might find this black next onto the wall from the hinge, so all you have to do to prevent that is use a silicone based spray or something like WD-40. Put some tissue on the floor or rag just in case you get any drips. Just put a bit of tissue behind there to catch the spray. Spread it slowly. Give it a wipe and then just work the spray in, and that should prevent any black marks on your wall.